Let's talk about 3 movements that will change your floor dance game. You can do them in various different ways. We're going to talk about a couple of options, and then if you want to learn more, hop on over to studioxpresents.com, the studio. We have a ton of tutorials and live virtual classes that you can attend that will help you build the foundations needed for amazing floor dance. Now, I do have indicators on that should be helpful. I have clear on my right side and pink on my left side, so that should help you to follow along, but if you're really looking to polish up your floor dance game, you want to be doing this on both sides. The first thing we're going to go over is your diamond spin. I'm going to demo this facing you and then away, just so that you can see it mirrored from the front, and also you can see it if I weren't mirrored and you were just following along. My hands are going to come behind me. I like to aim my fingers out to the sides. I'm going to take the top leg and bring it as far forward as I can. So my top leg foot is at my bottom leg knee. Then I'm going to start to externally rotate. As I do that, I'm going to slide both feet so that they come together, but the soles of my feet are together. Nobody's crossed over anymore. That bottom leg that I slid out is now going to slide forward. I'm going to shift to sit on the opposite hip, bring the foot to the knee, close, and slide back down. So now I have my left leg on top. We're going to talk left and right, and then I'll turn it around. Left foot to right knee, left hip open. We slide both feet, right leg comes in front, left leg stops moving, right foot to left knee, we close and come back to where we started. Now, if I were to turn this around, it's the same thing. So my right leg is on top, but you can see right foot to left knee, externally rotate. We open, I'm now on both hips. Switch feet, so now the left foot's in front, left foot to right knee, internally rotate to knees. And then we switch it. Left foot to right knee, open, pass the feet around, right foot to left knee, close. Your diamond spin is a big deal. You can use this for a lot of different things. And again, you don't have to do a big open diamond. The reason that we're calling it a diamond spin or a diamond pass is because we come through this diamond shape through the center. That means if you want to make it different, you can. That means if you want to push up as you come around, you can. The diamond is really just, I'm in the shape of a diamond in the middle of this spin or rotation, and now I'm not. The second move we're going to talk about is your fan kick. You can do your fan kick with straight legs, bent legs, laying down, sitting up, however you want. I'm going to do it on my forearms just because it's a little bit more helpful. You can add this right onto your diamond spin. I'm just going to lift one leg, straighten the bottom leg. I'm going to come to the extent of whatever straddle V is comfy for me. Once I'm in this straddle V, I switch to the other side, bend the bottom leg, close the top leg. You could do this with straight legs the whole time. You could do it with bent legs. You could do it with one bent leg. However you want to do your fan kick is up to you. So I'm going to do it one more time, laying down, facing away from you so that you can just follow along, which means I'm just going to lay down both legs to one side. For me, they're currently to the right. Both my legs are straight and I'm on my right hip, almost like I'm taking a nap. My left arm is behind me, bracing the ground for when I pivot over. I'm lifting the left leg, lifting the right leg, pivoting to that left side. So now I'm on my left hip and I can do it back. That's all your fan kick is. The amount of hip tilt or pancake you put in your fan kick is up to you. So if you were to see this from the side, I could easily just do a fan kick low. If I do it really low, it's basically my diamond spin. Or if I add my abs and engage my hips, I can do more of a pancake where my knees are coming more towards my chest. None of these are wrong, they're all the same movement, just figure out the one that works best for you. So with either of these, we kind of end in the same position where I have my knees bent and feet to the side. We're gonna do what I like to call a knee pass or a pass through. I'm sure you have another name for it. Because I have big heels on here, I wanna make sure that I keep an eye on the distance between my body and my hands so I don't hit my heel on my hand. If you have dance heels or barefoot, you're still gonna want your feet pointed and your ankles straight, but you won't have as much to worry about. With dance heels, maybe a little bit of the heel, watching out for the arm as we pass through. And if you have sensitive knees, I highly recommend knee pads for this. So sitting down, I'm currently on my right hip. I'm gonna bring my right hand further away than I think. Fingers facing away, same with the left hand. So it's almost under my shoulder, but I'm creating a bit of a triangle, wrist to shoulder to hip. My feet are on my left side. From here, I'm gonna do a hip bridge. So I'm gonna push my hips up, slide the feet underneath to the other side. Now some of this is on the front of my leg, so front of my knee, almost my shin, less of my patella, but a lot of it is mostly in my heels of my hands. So a little bit on the feet and knees, but mostly in the hands. Again, all it is a hip bridge. I like to look back so I don't get that exorcist vibe and pass the feet underneath. Doing this facing away from you, it would be the same. Hand comes behind me, fingers away. Hand comes behind me, fingers away. As always, my elbows are not locked, but they are straight. My arms are straight. I'm just passing the feet underneath me to the other side. Passing the feet underneath me to the other side. You can do this with your head back or head up. I like head back because for me, this looks a little bit crazy. It also looks hard. Whereas if I want to make it look fluid and easy, I throw my head back like, oh my gosh, it's so easy. But throwing my head back also helps arch my spine, which helps me lift my hips. So you have these three movements. You can add them together any which way you want to. I could have a diamond spin. I could do a knee pass and then end in a fan kick. It's pretty much the basics of any movement you're going to do in floor. So practice them in both sides, any direction. Join us for class, virtual live classes. Currently, we host them every Sunday. Check the website, and as always, please stay safe with your training.